your attention. Unfortunately, it's wire strippers. Like these at Parkside, $7.99. Give them a go. I'll replace these. 20 odd, 30 odd years old. They do still work, but not so great. And these Draper ones. Give them a quick test. These come with a 3-year guarantee. I think that's good value for £8, $7.99, whatever. Right, let's give them a try with copper coated aluminium, depending on how you say it. My right hand's going to have enough power in it. Oh, there, perfect. Look at that. Thin cores in them. Oh, tiny. Alright, I'll go with something a bit more chunky. This is speaker wire. That's 79 strand clone, I think. Yeah, still okay with that. This is really old as well. Yeah, no worries there. Let's try some really thin stuff. Just like a silicone wire, hook-up wire. Not sure of the gauge. Oh, didn't like cutting it. That does. Yeah, no problem. No damage conductor in there, it's good. I would say half the money for that. I don't know how good their guarantee is when you take it back. I assume they just give you money back if they haven't got it in stock. But, like that.